Hope Marie is a 12-year-old who makes thousands of dollars every month making videos, selling slime, and landing huge sponsorships. Stay watching because we are going to uncover how much money Hope Marie is making and how she does it. What is up, you beautiful teenagers? I'm Steve.
Steve!
What? Whatever. I'm the founder of howtomakemoneyaskid.com, which is all about helping kids and teens like you to make money online by starting websites, YouTube channels, that kind of stuff. So today I'm going to analyze Hope Marie and tell you how she is really and actually making money as a teenager. So let's jump right in. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified when I come out with new awesome videos to help you make money online as a teenager. So I actually met Hope Marie last year at a conference called CVX Live, and she is awesome. So Hope Marie is a 12-year-old. She started her channel back when she was like 9 or 10, and she has already 315,000 subscribers. That is incredible. She is so amazing. I can't believe she could do this by herself as a 10 to 12-year-old. I mean, this is insane. So she makes videos about slime, about her hamsters, which is really cool. Her most viewed video has been seen 6.9 million times. That's like the entire population of the state of Utah twice. It's incredible. That's like everyone in Utah watched her video twice. So way to go, Hope Marie. So to show off some of her channel stats, her YouTube channel stats, so you guys can kind of see how successful she actually is. So if you look down here, so for this one video, it's estimated that she made $10,000 on this one video, and that is insane. So this is like estimating as if per 1,000 views, she made $1.50, which I think is pretty reasonable. It's every YouTube channel is a little bit different, the actually cost, but I mean, $1 between $1.50, I think that's a pretty safe estimate. If you also look down here about her channel, she's making about $4,687 a month just from ads. Now that's just from ads, and we're going to talk about this a little bit later, but ads are a great way to make money, but you can make so much more money without ads. If she's making $4,000 a month with ads, she could be making $40,000 a month with selling her own products, which is just mind-blowing. So right now, if you think Hope Marie is awesome, comment right now and say, Hope Marie, you're awesome. Comment in this. I want to send her a ton of comments and show her how awesome she really is. And if she's inspired you in any way, tell me right now, and I'm going to send all of these to her. Make sure she can see how inspiring and how awesome she is at starting her own online business. So leave those comments right now. I'd love to share those with her. So Hope Marie is part of 2 other YouTube channels. One is called Annie and Hope, which is she does a YouTube channel with her best friend. And this one she actually started before she started Hope Marie. So Superhero Kids is kind of her whole family. Anyway, they all work together and make these really fun and engaging like shows. Like they started out making shows about superheroes, and now they make their own shows, which are really fun. So check it out, Superhero Kids, if you haven't already seen it. So that's in a nutshell the kind of the channels that she works on. I don't know how much money she's making from these other 2 channels, but let's dive into just how much money she's making from her own personal channel. So one thing I love doing is going back and looking at some of her oldest videos to see kind of where she came from, because everyone started with 0. So yeah, she's all big and now it has 300,000 plus subscribers, but it wasn't always that way. So let's take a look back in time to see where she came from and kind of see how she progressed along the way. So I'm in here on the videos tab, go to sort by oldest videos. So here's her oldest video, Kids Christmas Morning. So she published this when she was just like 9, just barely turning 10 years old, which is just crazy. So you can go back and watch some of these. The things I love to look at is how the thumbnails have changed, and also the titles, and even the quality of the video itself. When Hope Marie actually started recording videos, she started recording them on her iPod. So I mean, it's just crazy. She didn't even have a camera, she just used her iPod. she just started putting out videos. You can just kind of see her progression here and looking down the different views. Now a lot of these videos have probably got more views just as time's gone on and her channel's gotten bigger. But when she first started, she wasn't getting probably 12,000 views per video. December 12th of 2015, she had 0 subscribers. That's when she started her channel. She published her first video just after Christmas, so probably the end of the month. Basically 6 months later, after publishing, she had 5,000 subscribers, which is awesome. But if you're consistent and make good quality videos like Hope Marie, you could see some similar progress like that. Okay, so how does Hope Marie make money as a kid? And we've already kind of touched on ads, but I want to touch a little bit more on ads. So if we go over here and look at, here's a video that she's just published recently, a slime video. This video probably made her, $63, and it's got like 40,000 views, which is a lot of views. $63 is great, and it's like for a kid, you're probably like, wow, that's amazing, $63. But there's a lot more money to be had on the other side, which we're going to dive into a lot more. So let's talk about brand deals. Here's a brand deal she did with Hatchimals, which is actually a company for Spin Master, which I think they sell their products at Michael's. And so, Michael's probably paid her $5,000 to $10,000 to make this video to talk about Hatchimals and send her this box of Hatchimals and stuff. So this is one way to make money, but you have to have I think over really 10,000 subscribers before getting brand deals is actually something that happens. I mean, once you probably get to that 100,000 range, people are going to be probably knocking down your door a little bit. But brand deals is a great way to make money if you have a YouTube channel or a website. Either way, you can get brand deals on websites as well. Anyway, this is one way that she makes money with her YouTube channel. Another way she makes money is really cool. She's actually created an app. Now, this is called Jazzy Girl Stuff, and I downloaded it on my phone and I played it, and it's pretty fun. How she makes money on this app is as you're playing it, if you played for a minute or two, an ad will pop up and show that ad, and then it will go away, and then you can resume playing. So she has ads being rolled on this app, and so this is a great way to make money through taking a step out of your YouTube channel and just YouTube ads, which everyone thinks that's how you make money. Well, she's created an app and she's monetized that app. So now as kids play hours, she has another way to make money from her app, which it's actually really cool. I mean, whoever thought of making an app as a kid? I mean, this one's a very simple one, but it is actually kind of fun to play, and I think my high score was 10, so download the app and try to beat my high score. But this really leads into my next point, which is how to make money online. How do you make a lot, 50 times or 10 times the amount of money you would make from those ads? Is you actually start a real business and you sell real products. Okay, and she does this very well. And so let's dive in to her slime shop. And she's making and selling slime, because those videos have done really well on her YouTube channel. So not only is she making slime, having fun, making money from the videos she makes, but she's also selling the slime. And in this video, you can see that she's actually brought on a friend to help her make money by actually making slime and selling it. So this is where she actually gets into creating a real business, selling slime. That's actually a store. She has her own store, and she's done it by building a website. And I've actually built an entire guide. If you're interested in starting your own website, starting a real online business as a teenager, you can download that. I'll put a little thing up here and I'll link in the description below. So you can download that guide. It's completely free, and from very start to finish, it's going to show you every step you need to know of how to make a website as a teenager that makes money. So Hope Marie's website, it's very simple. So if you go here to shop, you can see that she's out of stock on everything because she's just making it and selling it probably so fast. Anyway, it's really cool that she's created a website and created actually her own products to sell. And so as you grow an online business as a teenager, this is something you're looking at doing. This is something you got to think about is, how am I going to make and sell my own products? So another way that Hope Marie is making money as a kid right now is she's actually also selling her slime and doing her slime shop at local events. Now there's this Act On Children's Business Fair, which is in her local community, that she's promoted on her videos and says she's going to. So she's going to go there and sell slime, and she put them in these little bottles. You can kind of check it out in her videos, and sells them. So she's going to go there and sell slime. So that is another way to make money. You can sell online and you can also sell offline, but having both together will help you make even more money. Okay, so what could Hope Marie do better to make even more money? And what are maybe some ways that you could make money starting your own online business? So first off, she has a website. It's her slime shop. I think is awesome. Way to go, Hope Marie, for setting up your own slime shop and your own online business that way, selling your own products. Because if a company is willing to pay you $10,000 or you're making $4,000 in ads, you're getting a teeny fraction of how much money is actually being made, or else they would never pay you that kind of money to do that. So even though $10,000 sounds amazing, which that's a ton of money, that's awesome, actually making $50,000 by selling your own products, that's even more amazing. And so the thing is you don't have to have this huge YouTube channel to make money. You can even get a fraction of the video views that she's getting and be making a plenty of money, even with you're not making hardly any money from ads, if you're directly selling your own products. Okay, I'm gonna put a poll up right now. I wanna know if you'd rather start a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, or some other social media. So poll right now, poll question. I'd love to know what you think and what you would prefer. So a couple things that she could do better. I thought maybe she's out of stock on her, at her store all the time. She maybe can consider drop shipping slime from AliExpress. Pretty much drop shipping, if you don't know what that is pretty much you market a product and people can click and buy it from your website, and then it actually is shipped from China to that person as if it was from you. But you didn't do any of the shipping or the fulfillment or any of that. Some other company got the order, and then you pay them the smaller percentage, and you've kind of charged your percentage because you're marketing the product, and then it ships to them. Anyway, this might have been a little more complicated than it sounds, but it's an awesome business model. So Hope Marie, if you're watching this, which I hope you do, that's another way that you could possibly grow your slime shop so that you always have slime in stock, is just drop shipping. Have a couple products of slime that you can just drop ship, so when people are coming to your website, there's always something for them to buy. So a couple other ways. I love digital products, because digital products, you don't have to make it, you don't have to ship it. I mean, once you've made it once, it's done, and as much as you sell after that is total 100% profit. You don't have to ship it, there's no cost to make it or anything. So once you've made it once, it's done, and you can sell it and just email it to people, and you can have that all automated, which is so cool. So some digital products that Hope Marie could make is, I'm thinking she could make like some kind of an ebook, like slime recipes, or like a guide for taking care of hamsters or something like that. That could be an easy sell on her website and on her YouTube channel that she could promote and say, hey guys, I've created this book, what I've learned about raising hamsters and keeping them happy. She could sell it on Amazon, sell it on her website. There's a lot of places she could sell those books, and she'd charge even like $3 per book. She'd probably make a lot of money selling those. So the other thing is courses. So I don't care who you are, everyone is an expert at something. Or if you're not an expert at something, you can become an expert at something. So one thing that she could do, she could make a slime course. Actually, a course that you log in online, watch videos where she kind of teaches you how to make slime, or something like that, or even teaches you how to do a slime shop yourself. She could make a course that's like start to finish how to make a business selling slime as a kid. Now that's something that could sell. Or she could do some kind of a hamster course, how to take care of hamsters. There's tons of how to take care of cats, how to take care of dogs courses out there. Why not how to take care of hamsters courses? There's probably already some of those out there. If they're popular enough and she's getting 6 million views, that means people want hamsters, and they probably need to know how to take care of them and keep them happy and running on those little wheels. So a hamster course. So those are some ways that she can continue to grow her website and make more money from her own online business. Instead of relying on ads or relying on brand deals, she then can be her own brand and make her own money from promoting her own products, which is what she's already doing, and she's doing so awesome. I can't believe how incredible this is. I hope by looking at Hope Marie, you can understand how you can start your own online business. And if you want to start a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, Facebook, whatever new social media out there that you want to start growing an audience on, you always need to have a website, because a website is where you can sell your own products and you can collect leads, like by collecting emails and all that kind of stuff. And that's where the real business happens. So YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, those are all awesome places. You can make money on those, but they're awesome places for getting traffic, getting eyeballs, and getting people to go to your website. So if you want to learn how to start a website, I've built an entire guide that walks you step by step on how to start a website as a teenager that makes money. So I'll link that in the description, link it up here in the little thingies, and go check that out. It's completely free, and you can download it. You can do it online and watch. I've made a lot of videos teaching you exactly every step so that you can start your own online business and grow your own business to where you can make money so that you can live your dreams. And my goal for making this guide and doing everything I do on this howtomakemoneyasakid.com website and YouTube channel is because I want you to be able to never need a job. Once you graduate from high school, I don't want you to ever have to get a job, because your own business is making enough money that you never need a job. So that's my goal for my children. I have 4 kids and we have a family vlog, and check that out. That's my goal for them. That's kind of why I started this whole thing. But that's also my goal for you. So start your own website, start a YouTube channel, Instagram, whatever that is, get traffic, and grow an online business. You can do it. So I want you to comment right now and tell me what you like, what you learned in this video, and what you're gonna do to start your own online business. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, because I'm gonna be coming out with more reviews of teen YouTubers and teens that have started their own websites, their own online businesses, so that you can learn from the teens that are already doing it. So we're gonna do a lot more of these videos, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of those, and check out my free guide, howtomakemoneyasakid.com/website. That will take you straight there. You can download my entire website guide for free. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.